History. The flame-rumped tanager was once known as the lemon-rumped tanager, and it was even considered a separate species in some parts of its range. However, it is now classified as a single species with two subspecies, the lemon-rumped tanager in Panama and the flame-rumped tanager in Colombia and Ecuador. Specialties. The flame-rumped tanager is a frugivore, meaning it eats mostly fruit. It is an important seed disperser for many plants in its range. The male flame-rumped tanager has a unique song that is used to attract mates and defend its territory. Unique nature. The most striking feature of the flame-rumped tanager is its bright rump, which can be yellow, orange, or red depending on the subspecies. This rump patch is thought to play a role in attracting mates and deterring predators. Other specific details. The flame-rumped tanager is found in semi-open habitats such as forests, woodlands, and gardens. It is a social bird that is often seen in pairs or small groups. The flame-rumped tanager is not currently considered threatened, but its populations are declining in some parts of its range due to habitat loss.